What is up, everyone? I will be showing you how to make a glider. So, first out, you go fold in half, not all the way to the top, maybe like an inch off the top. Then, once you got that, unfold it, then do the same with the other side and fold it all the way. So then, once you fold it like this, you just fold it in half. This is really short, so then you grab this. Make sure you grab the corner. Then fold it like this. There you got not it. Then it should look like this. Then fold it down on the other side, dangled. So it should probably look like this. Then you fold it down. The best I've done is probably fold it down maybe like 2 inches. Then do it to the other side, make sure it's close together. And there you go, you got your glider.
Speed the crap.
Brandon!